welcome back to Jason's Acoustic Workshop. This is lesson 14 in the beginner series for acoustic guitar. And today we're learning minor chords. Very, very important. About as important as the bar chords. And there's plenty more bar chords to learn. So if you want to advance yourself and go look up more bar chords, that's good. This is just the basic ones, okay? So minor chords, we're going to be doing A minor, B minor, and C minor. A minor. Do it here on the chord diagram. That's how it looks. Whenever you see it written, A-M means A minor. Alright? It's going to be almost like the A, but you're going to have one finger difference. Alright? Normally you have your A here, here, and then one here. But on this one, your finger is going to go on the first fret instead of the second fret. So basically it's second finger, third finger, and first finger. Okay? This is open, and this is open, and this one is not played. Okay? So let me make it official here, because I've noticed it on the chord diagrams now. They're all coming up here now. The zeros and the X's. So we'll just make it official. Okay? Alright. This is your A minor chord. Very, very simple. Okay? And this is how it's going to be with a lot of your minor chords. I'm going to show you the A minor, B minor, and C minor. I'm also going to show you the bar chords in this lesson. Okay, that way we can kind of speed things up just a little bit. Obviously, you guys are learning really quickly. Okay, so we're might start to speed things up just a little bit. Okay, now you're getting a better knowledge of what's going on. All right, A minor, B minor, and C minor. And that's how they're all done. A minor, B minor, and C minor. Okay, so let's get to A minor. Alright, the A minor chord. There's three ways to do it. We're going to show you all three ways. First, the standard A minor. It's going to be second fret, second finger, fourth string, second fret, third finger, third string, and then first fret, first finger, second string. You're going to play the five strings. The sixth string, the top one, we will not play. Nice and clear. A minor. Alright. Now here's the A minor bar chord. You're going to take your first finger. You're going to bar all six strings, like that. Then you're going to go to the 7th fret, 3rd finger, 5th string, and then 7th fret, 4th finger, 4th string. The 2nd finger you're just going to place on top of your first there, because you're not going to be needing it for this one. And just play all 6 strings. Make sure they're nice and clear. Now here's an alternate A minor, which would come in handy for a lot of songs. You're going to play just the bottom 4. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to take your first finger and just place it on the bottom 4 strings. Okay, the 5th string and the 6th string leave alone. Now on this one, you're not going to be playing the 6th string, but you're going to play the 5th string open. Okay, so now you're going to do one more. It's 7th fret, 3rd finger, 4th string. And now everything else is open, and just hit that, just play it like I said with the 5th string open, and make sure it's nice and clear. Oh yeah. is your A minor chords. Alright, here we go. B minor. Now, B minor, there's two ways to do it. Your standard B minor, you're going to have 4th fret, 3rd finger, 4th string. Then you're going to have 4th fret, 4th finger, 3rd string. And then 3rd fret, 2nd finger, 2nd string. And then 2nd fret, 1st finger, 1st string. And you're going to play only the bottom 4. The 5th and 6th string do not get played. Alright, now here's how to do the bar chord. Now basically you're going to keep the same finger pattern there except for your 1st finger. Your 1st finger is going to turn into a bar, and it's going to cover 5 strings. The 6th string will not be played. And there you go. There is your B minor bar chord. You play all 5 strings. Alright, those are your B minor chords. The standard and the bar. Alright, C minor is going to be about the same as the B minor, but just on a different fret. So, you're going to start with 5th fret, 3rd finger, 4th string, 5th fret, 4th finger, 3rd string, and then 4th fret, 2nd finger, 2nd string, and of course 3rd fret, 1st finger, 1st string. And you're going to play only the bottom 4. Now I have to say that the way this chord is being played in this position will not be played very much like this. Most of the time you're going to be playing the bar chord version and not the standard version of B minor or C minor. Okay? So, but it's best that you learn. Now, to do the bar chord, it's going to be the same thing. Your 2nd, 3rd, and 4th fingers will stay the same. Your 1st finger will bar 5 strings. The 6th string, the top string, will not be played. And then push down, and there you go, C minor bar chord. Play the 5 strings. Alright, that was the A minor, B minor, and C minor chords. There are many ways to do chords. This is just a few of them, but make sure you practice them. I know we're getting into a lot of information now, so if you forget something, just go back to the lesson and just rewatch it, and that way you can get the reference. And like I said, all the chords, the chord diagrams, and the strumming, the sounds will be on this channel, so you don't have to worry about going to a website or something to get the sound for the chord. Now like I said, I want to let everybody know why I play a half step down. Instead of E, it's D sharp or E flat, however you want to look at it. The reason why I do that is, first of all, for my vocals, because I'm more of a tenor, I'm not a soprano. So I can't sing really high. It's more of a mid-range type of thing. And second of all, there are a lot of songs now that are playing in the half-step down key. And what's nice about that is, if you want to go back to the regular standard tuning, all you have to do is put your capo on to the 1st fret and you're back at standard tuning. But if you're playing something and it's too high for you and you have to bring it down, if you're in regular tuning, you can't bring it down. If you're in half-step tuning, you're a half-step down, but if you need to go up, you can always bring it back up. Now, if you need to go lower than that, what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to change keys. If you're doing something in the key of A, let's say, or E, which is on the first fret, and you have to go down to D, or go down 2 steps, go down 2 steps to D, well, you can't obviously do that because, once the first fret, that's as far as you can go. So what you do is you change the key. Go from D to E to D. Or if you need to go up, go from E to F. I hope I'm making sense. You'll see when we do the lesson on the circle of fifths, or they call it the circle of keys. It's very, very important to transpose if you're not sure what key or what notes or chords go with that key. So, but yes, practice the A minor, B minor, and C minor, and practice all versions of it. That way you know how to do them. Because sometimes you might have a song that requires the B minor in the standard chord instead of the bar chord. So make sure you practice all versions of it. Practice the major chords. Practice these minor chords that we're doing. Bar chords, do those too. So make sure that you practice an hour a day so you can get better. And tell your friends about these videos. If they want to learn guitar, they can start right from the beginning. They're not very long. And please subscribe to my channel so we can get the world playing guitar. That's my goal. So we will see you in lesson 15, and we're going to be doing D minor, E minor, F minor, and G minor. We're going to do 4 of them. So I wish it was a round number like 6, but there's seven notes, so you have to work with it. So we'll see you in the next lesson. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you next time.